Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw one of the most iconic characters in the Mortal Kombat game, and that is Scorpion. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Scorpion, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here. We're going to make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come up and down. And we want to do the same thing over here. Go down and then go up and down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and up. And another one here, it's going to go over and up. Then I'm going to add a little line underneath each eye. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down. And then I'm going to make a line that goes down on each side. And then I'm going to make it come to a point. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes out on each side here. And I'm going to make a line that goes in. It's going to go up. Same thing here, in and then up. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down and then up, kind of like a V shape. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and in. And one here, we're going to go down and in. And another one's going to go down and in. And down and in. Next, starting right up here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go up. And another one here, it's going to come up. They're going to come to a point, go down. And we'll make a little triangle shape right here. Then right here, we're just going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and then down. Right inside here, I'm going to make a line that goes in and then down, in and down. And then I'm going to make a couple kind of long black lines in here. We'll add a couple more little lines by the eyes. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and over, another one that goes up and over, or over and up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw two little lines that come in for the neck. And then I'm going to make two lines that come out here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a long line that's going to come down and another long line that's going to come down. When I get to here, I'm going to make a circle shape. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down to here. Same thing here, we're going to go out, and then it's going to come down to here. And I'm going to make these two lines come up just to kind of connect it. Next, I'm going to draw two little lines that go out. We're going to go down and then in, and do the same thing on the other side. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to come to a point, and it's going to go up and then back up here. Right here, I'm going to take this line and bring it up, and then I'll do the same thing on this one. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. Make it come to a point, and then we're going to go down. I'm going to bring this line down and then over. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down like this. It's going to come over and then up to here. Make a line that's going to come up here, and then go right into here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down a little farther. I'm going to make this come up and then down here. Make this line go down, over, and then come up to here. And we're going to make this line connect to here. Right here, I'm going to draw this line. It's going to go down. It's going to come around and then up to here. And we'll make a little line just to kind of show where part of the leg is. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then we're going to make it come down a little farther. And right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to here. Over here, I'm going to make another line that's going to come down. And we'll do another one right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come around and then curl to here. Make a line that's going to go up and over the little line here. Do another line here, another line here. We'll just do 4 fingers and we'll connect it to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and over. A little line down, then we're going to go down, over and up, and then over and up for this hand. I'm going to make a little line across here, and then a little line that's going to go up and then down here. I'll make a little line across, and a little line that's going to go up and down. And then a little line across here, and a little line right across here too. 2 little lines. Now, starting here, I'm going to just add a long line that's going to come down. I'm going to go over and redraw this line. I'm going to bring this line over. We're going to make it run behind him. That's going to come right into this hand. And we're going to run it down here too. I want to make a line that goes out, it's going to come down, it's going to go up, and then back up like this for like a point. We're going to add a couple little broken lines on here, and then a bunch of little quick lines all along here too. Now I just want to add some of the different details onto Scorpion here. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a couple little lines up here. And then I'm going to make some little X shapes going down on each side here. So just some quick little X shapes for some details. I want to make a line that's going to go down, and it's just going to follow this shape, and then we're going to put some more of these little X's in here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then to here. This one we're going to go up, over, and then down. I want to make a couple little lines coming down here with just a little circle shape right in here. I'll make a little line right across here for his neck. And I'm just going to make a couple little lines here, just kind of show where his chest is going to be. I'm going to draw a little line across the bottom of the feet. And a little line that's going to come up. And a little line there. And there you go. There is your quick little drawing of Scorpion. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.